So, hey, you guys, today you want to watch this because we are making our Ginger Rogers
Mocktail. And it is so good and so easy to make. You know, my daughter-in-law is breastfeeding, and this holiday will not be able to have a cocktail. I'm going to make her this.
Yeah, I think it's a great option. I'm proud of us, Tracy. We did it.
Proud of us.
Good. Cheers. Happy drinking.
Welcome to our channel. We are the
Lazy Cook,
and the Healthy Chef.
and we would love it if you would subscribe and follow along.
Yeah. So check us out. Subscribe on YouTube, Lazy Cook Healthy Chef, or Instagram, TikTok. We're everywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
All the
And
places.
everywhere.
All the places.
Okay, so we're doing,
What are we doing?
Ginger Rogers.
We are. We're doing
Ginger Rogers what?
We're doing a spin-off of a Ginger Rogers cocktail. We're doing a Ginger Rogers mocktail, but a spin-off. We're doing our own version.
I love it. So what I
Yeah.
I love the quote about Ginger Rogers is to remember she did everything that Fred Astaire did, but backward and in heels.
Thank you, because she was fabulous.
Right.
God bless her.
And I always say that I'm the Ginger Rogers to my TV husbands, Fred Astaire.
You are.
Yeah,
You
because
are.
I'm always in heels and holding on to him for dear life, but he dances through it all so beautifully.
I love that you're always in heels. Except when you're riding the horses.
Well, no, I mean my hashtag for my farm is Ranch Life in Heels.
It's so Tracey Bregman. I love it.
But I'm usually in breeches and boots or heels.
Yeah, there you
Ranch
go.
Life in Heels. Love
Yeah.
it. Okay, let me see.
So
How
today
we doing?
we're doing. So I love to do a mocktail, Tracy. I know we've done them before.
And I love ginger beer.
Oh,
I
it's
love
so
ginger
good.
beer. It's
So
so
yeah,
good.
So speaking of which, so this is
Yeah.
our spin-off of a Ginger Rogers cocktail. We're doing it instead of cranberry juice because we're all about the cranberry. We shopped everywhere, could not find fresh
No cranberries?
cranberries. Couldn't find anyways. So we just said we're just gonna go with pomegranate.
I love a good pomegranate.
I love good pomegranate, great for your heart. And we've got some crystallized ginger, we've got rosemary. You do that rosemary is actually, there's some studies that say it helps with memory, which we know I need.
So we both need that.
Right.
I'm going to be planting that everywhere. And it's a natural pest repellent.
There you go. So rosemary, everybody,
Yeah.
your friend. We're gonna do
Your friend Rosemary.
Your friend Rosemary, that was my grandmother's name. Love her.
Cute.
We're doing the juice of a lime. I've got a lime here. We're doing your favorite ever, ginger beer.
Love it.
Okay. We've got pomegranate juice, and then I've got some pomegranate arrows.
I love it.
Yeah.
What do you call them?
They're called pomegranate arrows. Some people like to call them pomegranate seed, but
They're arrows.
they're called arrows. I didn't do it. I didn't name them.
I would have lost that in Family Feud.
There you go.
Yeah.
Well, Family Feud, you should have us on. We need
Yes.
more of a team. But we've got our other friends from
Yeah,
God's Table
exactly.
Hollywood. So we'll
can do
volunteer
it.
us. This is crystallized ginger just for garnish. It's
Which I like.
optional. I thought that
I
was
like it.
fun.
Yeah.
I thought it was fun. So simple. We're gonna get ice into two tumbler glass. Is that a tumbler glass? I don't drink enough alcohol to know.
I have no idea. I think that's an old fashioned.
An old fashioned, thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, my husband would tell us. He's over there looking at me like, you don't know what that's all. Yeah, old fashioned glass. So you've got your glass. Ooh, get your ice in there.
I forgot to ask you how much ice.
Just, I would go halfway. It's
Okay.
fine. How much ice do you want is the question, right? So just
I
whatever
don't
you
know.
want. I'm just gonna get the juice of a lime going here.
Okay. You know what I do to get more juice out of a lemon or a lime?
Yeah.
Is I just put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it softens them up.
Yeah, I love that. I do that too.
This is very pretty the way you've zhuzhed this up.
I zhuzhed it up.
I like
and
it.
It's even prettier, like if you do oranges.
Oh, yeah.
Or you can put lemons in
Very
there.
nice.
Okay, so I'm doing my ginger beer.
Okay.
I'm gonna pour as much
Should I-
as I can. You can
should I
do
do
the
that
same.
too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you get your ginger beer in there,
All
girlfriend?
right, girl. Here we
Then
go.
we've got the juice of a lime. We're gonna divide between the two of us.
Okay.
And then we're going to do as much or as little pomegranate juice. You have the honors, my friend.
Yeah, I don't know what this is going to taste like, so I'm going to start with a skosh.
A skosh. I love it when you say that.
What?
So
tell me
cool.
when.
Okay. When? Wow, that's great. I love pomegranate juice. It gives me,
Me
so
too.
much joy.
I love it.
You
Look how
wanna
pretty it is.
do the honors of a rosemary. You don't want any rosemary?
No.
I love it. I need it.
I mean, I like fresh rosemary, but I'm
Honey, this
not
is
sure I
fresh.
want it in
Okay.
my.
I do. I love it.
But
Okay.
it smells good.
All right. So now I'm going to put a little bit of pomegranate in mine.
Mm-hmm.
It's everywhere.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put some pomegranate in yours. Looking good.
Okay. Ooh, that's so pretty. and festive.
Pomegranate.
I like it.
So amazing.
Actually,
so
this
good.
is very festive with the rosemary in it.
We work together very well.
Yeah.
See, we're having a good old time. Oh my God. Okay, that's gorgeous.
Yours
And
looks better with the rosemary.
can we just, for the prettiness, may I please give you a little bit of rosemary?
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna cut it. These are the tallest
So are
rosemaries
we
I've
not
ever
using
seen.
this one? Okay.
You can.
All right. You're right.
I
It's
think
prettier.
it looks really pretty
She's
like
right.
this.
Okay.
All right, so here it is, you guys. Our Ginger Rogers Mocktail.
There you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy drinking.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
That's really good.
The ginger with the rosemary.
Oh my gosh. Well,
Right.
rosemary, but so good.
I love when I'm drinking it and I've got the crystallized ginger here next to the rosemary because I'm getting this nice
Wow.
aroma.
I'm gonna start buying ginger beer. Here, let me get rid
This
of my
is-
rosemary.
She's not a fan of it. I love it, you guys. And I love a good mocktail. And that was so simple. You could do this entertaining. Your friends are going to think you're fancy.
I'm eating the garnish, but it's
She's,
really
she's eating the crystallized ginger. Anyways,
Wow.
there it is.
That's really strong.
All right. I love it.
It seemed like a better idea in my head. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Eating the crystallized ginger. Wow. Happy drinking.
Happy drinking.
Cheers, you guys.
For more fun times in the kitchen with Lazy Cook and Healthy Chef recipes, check out our YouTube channel, The Lazy Cook and the Healthy Chef. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.